team! Time for a new adventure! Wait! Wait! What is that? Oh no! The baby turtle can't reach the pond!
He is stuck on the blocks!
Look at his shell! It is a circle! So round! Don't worry, little friend. We will help you! Calling the Tiny Truck Team! Dump truck, please help carry the soil! Bulldozer, please help smooth the canal sides! Crane, help us place the pipes! Teamwork makes everything possible.
Ready? Let's get to work!
Digging. 1, 2, 3.
Scoop the dirt!
I am ready to carry the soil. Dump the soil, please. Beep, beep. Away it goes. Smoothing the banks now. Push slow and steady. Lifting the pipe high. Carefully placing it down.
Looking good team!
Canal is ready! Let's let the water flow! Look at the water go! Splish, splash, flow! The flowers are drinking! They look so happy now! Nature is happy too! Great job, team! We helped our garden grow! Helping nature is cool! We are a great team! Whoa, whoa! Time to celebrate!
Line up! Tiny Truck Team!
We did it together! High five! Great work today! Bye-bye! See you next time!